On your smartphone, open Snapchat and go to your Snapchat message window. Now, to delete message inside of a chat, open the chat. Find out the message that you want to delete. It could be your sent or received message. Long press the message, tap on delete, tap on OK, and tap on delete chat, and your selected message will delete from the conversation. And now let's see how to delete chat or conversation. All you have to need, come to your message homepage and long press the chat that you want to delete. In here, select chat and notification settings and tap on clear from chat feed and tap on clear. And your selected chat will be deleted from your chat list. If you want to do it at once for multiple chat, tap on your Bitmoji, tap on settings. In settings, scroll down. Under account action list, tap on clear conversation. And now from here, you can just tap this cross icon, tap on clear, and you can easily delete multiple chat or messages very easily.